how you can create an Apple ID so you don't get the could not create an Apple ID error on your iPhone. Now, before I teach you guys how to do that, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is just go to your Safari, and after you do that, search for Apple ID, apple.com. So what we're doing here is we are just creating an Apple account, that is Apple ID account, from our web. So we'll just do that. Tap on my Apple ID, just tap on it, let it load, and after you do that, you will be redirected to account.apple.com. So after you're on account.apple.com, what you'll need to do is just tap on this down arrow right besides Apple account. After you do that, you will see an option called create your Apple account. Just tap on it. After you do that, you'll need to let it load, and after it does, you will see these options right here. So now what you'll need to do is you'll need to create your Apple account through this website. So all you need to do is just fill out this form. Just select your country, region, your email, or your Apple ID account's email, your phone number, and you'll just have to verify that you're a human. And after you do that, you will have created an Apple account. And yeah, that is basically it. That is how you can create an Apple account without having to go through the could not create Apple ID error on your iPhone. So yeah, that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and